Pasensya ko na 16 po kasi yung host, wala akong prompter, kaya nakalimutan ko na iba.
Tsaka sanay na ako, hindi nababanggit.
Matapos ang pagkapanalo ni Vice Ganda sa ginanap na FAMAS kahapon, nabalot ng kontrobersya ang naging acceptance speech ng komedyante. Ito nga ay nang makalimutan ni Vice na mabanggit ang kanyang co-host na si Kim Chiu.
Salamat po. Again, this award I share with Ann Curtis, Bong Navarro, Joe Hilario, Ami Perez, Olgi Alcacid, Jukes, Teddy, Karel, Jackie, my husband Ayon, MC, Lassie, Sean, Darren, and my baby Ryan Bang. Sino pa ba? Ang mga bago namin kasama, sila Brent Manalo, sila Ralph, ang Showtime Baby Dolls.
Dahil na dito ay kabi-kabilang pambabatikos ang natamo ni Vice Ganda mula sa mga fans ni Kim Chiu. Kaya naman hindi nakapagpigil ang komedyante at agad na tumalak sa The Toxicity of These Fantards. Prinsesa Chinita. The Entitlement. You. Grab the kachipan of these fans. Look, Prinsesa Chinita. To mga little ponies, it's not enough and acceptable reason that you love me for you to be bad to others. I appreciate your support, but it will not enable your toxic behavior just because seek your support. I love you, my mature and thinking little ponies. Think but not enable. Ina Izenkyo. To my mom's relatives, I hope you won't bash me for forgetting to mention my mom in my speech last night. Matapos na ang sunod-sunod na talak na ito ni Vice Ganda sa ay agad niyang nag-post si Kim Chiu sa kanyang account. I don't want to make a big deal out of this anymore. But as supporters, it's probably not fair to call them cheap. Maybe because of their overwhelming love and support for their idol, they're protective. I think this is just the initial reaction. I'm not tolerating them, but I hope we can just let this go. If there were no people supporting and truly loving us, there wouldn't be anyone appreciating everything we do either. Bilang paglilinaw nga ay sinagot naman ni Vice ang katanungan ng isang netizen kung nag-aaway ba sila ni Kim ayon kay Vice. Oh, we're not fighting. We're messaging each other now. As friends. Sa kabilang banda hiling na ng mga taga-suporta ng dalawa na sana ay hindi malamatan ang kanilang samahan ng dahil lamang sa ganito kaliit na issue.
TV. Binigyan niya ako ng pangos for movies, ibang pangos for broadcast. Maraming salamat. First nito at first ko rin to. Thank you so much for seeing me. Thank you so much for appreciating me, for validating my hard work, my purpose, my passion, my talent, my skills. Maraming salamat po. Again, this award I share with Ann Curtis, Bong Navarro, Joe Hilario, Ami Perez, Olgi Alcacid, Jukes, Teddy.
Mama, pwede po kami po picture? Mama, we love you. Pwede po po picture?
Salamat po. Again, this award I share with Ann Curtis, Bong Navarro, Joe Hilario, Ami Perez, Olgi Alcacid, Jukes, Teddy, Karel, Jackie, my husband Ayon, MC, Lassie, Sean, Darren, and my baby Ryan Bang. Sino pa ba? Ang mga bago namin kasama, sila Brent Manalo, sila Ralph, ang Showtime Baby Dolls. Maraming salamat po.